You know the struggle, right? You've got these amazing shots from your trips, breathtaking landscapes, and even epic street scenes. But when you put it all together, it feels like something's missing. It looks cool, but it's not telling a story. Now, how do we fix that? Well, recently I've learned some killer tips from a travel filmmaker named Brandon Lee, and today I'm going to share with you those tips. Let's turn those random shots into compelling scenes that would keep your viewers hooked from start to finish right now. So here's the deal. We often think in terms of isolated shots, like an amazing sunset or a cool street performer. But a single shot doesn't make a story. What we need are complete scenes. What's the difference? Let's break it down. A shot is a single moment, like a tram rolling down the street. Now, a scene, on the other hand, is a sequence of events. Imagine filming someone starting up a tram, interacting with passengers, and then driving through the city. It makes a huge difference. One is a snippet and the other is a narrative. Now, here's the technique that I picked up from Brandon Lee. You start with a key shot that you're trying to capture. Got it in your head? Now, that's great. Now, think about what happens before and after that shot. This will create a complete scene with a beginning, middle, and end. Let's say you want an epic shot of a street artist performing. Think about the build-up. Maybe the artist is setting up their gear, warming up, chatting with bystanders. That's your rising action. Then capture the aftermath, people clapping, the artist packing up his gear. That is your falling action. Here's another tip. Always capture reactions. It's easy to forget this in the moment, but reactions are gold. They show how people are feeling and make your video way more engaging. It's like you're watching a sports game. You don't just see the action, you see the fans going wild. That emotional connection keeps your audience hooked. Whenever something important happens, turn your camera around and get those reaction shots. Trust me, it adds so much depth in your footage or in your narrative. Now let's talk about the so what test that Brandon Lee mentioned in his video. Another gem. For every moment you plan to film, ask yourself, so what? Why should you care? If you can't answer that, rethink the moment. Make sure every shot has a purpose and adds to the story that you are trying to tell. Now, when you're editing, it's easier to cut a great video from complete scenes rather than random, disconnected shots. You're gonna have tons of material to work with and your story will flow much more, or it's going to flow much better. So the next time that you're out there filming, remember, think in scenes, not shots. Capture those reactions and always ask, so what? These tips from Brandon have seriously upped my travel video making, so I hope it will do the same for you. If you want to dive deeper into this, check out Brandon's Unscripted Studio. It's packed with awesome insight and improvised storytelling. Also check out his channel. Now, if you want to learn more, click on right here in this video so we can all learn, create, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!